Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, the largest RV show in the world, and here we have a number of base vehicle manufacturers. In fact, almost all of them, not entirely all of them, but almost all of them are here. And here I'm going to show you around the Nissan stand. Nissan isn't exactly noted for being a base vehicle manufacturers for RVs, but here we go. I'm going to start this one. Town Store full electric vehicle. Now, is that a camper? It's a car with a Rhino rack, Sunseeker roof tent on the top, and it's got this at the rear, which is a pull-out kitchen. At the same time, one can sleep in the back. There's probably a mattress somewhere, or there may not be. The objective, as far as I can see, is to sleep in the roof. So we've got a sink here. If I pull this out, I can't pull this out. Well, there's a fridge there, and under there we've got more storage. There'll be water as well behind this. These box set, there's a number of companies making these boxes. This Hymer, it's their production, and that's it. Okay, but there you go. Up on the roof, you've got your sleeping bit. Here we have this thing here. It's from Deathless Seaside Primer Star. It's a vehicle brought out for the 2024 season. This thing here works off diesel, and we'll have a look around it. People inside, so we can't actually go inside. For this, you're looking at 75,000 euros, and for that type of money, of course, you can buy a proper camper van. When I say a proper one, I mean one with a toilet and a what else you want, a shower, etc. Rather, I mean, there I suppose you could put in a porta potty, but that would be about all. And here, finally, I've got this Prima Star here. Once more, Seaside by Deathless. As you can see, it's got a tent in the roof, some chairs in the back, similar price, and that's it. It's a car, but at least it's actually here. I can understand why Deathless, who are putting their cars in, or cars you can sleep in Nissan, because having difficulties now getting supplies from Ford. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and all the best from me in Germany.